my 2 doubled up high tensile strength sutures. They are number 2 size sutures. That means that I can pull them pretty hard. That's of course in comparison to other systems which are smaller sutures. You see, you have to pull hard to get it reduced. So here we go. This is what's going to happen. There's a bony bed. There's my tunnel. I will be going like this. Boom. Look at that right there. That is money right there. That is a gorgeous looking reduction of the root of the medial meniscus. I will be tying these sutures down over the button on the tibial metaphysis. Go up a little bit. There you go. Look at that beautiful, big, bony bed right there to bring in the blood, because if there's no blood, there is no heal. You got to pull this baby down upon that bony bed and compress the soft tissue on the bone. ABCs of meniscus repair, always be compressing. And that's what we've done. We've stuck to the concepts, and that's what we have. Again, product right there. I'll be tying it down, and that'll be it. Dr. Mora here at Orthopedics and Spine Center, bringing you Mora, cutting edge orthopedic surgery. Thank you very much, everybody. Thank you for watching. Take care.